Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram and 24K on Twitter. Today I am unboxing the EasyCast mini box. So here's some quick documentation right here. This is pretty simple to set up. There's a couple instructions right here, no big deal. But what comes in the box is the EasyCast mini box right here with the wireless antennas. This is both wired and wireless, and I'll show you that in just a moment. They give you a power port plug and cable. So this is for North America, US right there. All right, so here's the EasyCast mini box. You can adjust the antennas however you need. There's two of them. They're nice and tall to get that extra signal. And then on the back, you have the power port, power button on and off. Then you have the reset port, USB port, Ethernet, and HDMI out. So you can use this with your TV and your mobile devices. And I'll give you a quick rundown of all of the features here. So you can have voice control with it, has fast Ethernet, streaming, mirroring, 4K or 1080p, 2.4 and 5 gigahertz wireless, and the EasyCast app. This works with multiple devices, and we'll have more information in the description below. This is Chris Roshnot, 24K on Twitter and Instagram. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.